Princess, princess, princess bites. Princess, princess, princess bites. Hey, my little bites. I just want to say, you guys, I know it's late, but I think I can do it. I think this video is going to turn out okay. I think I can. I know I can, and I know I will, and I can. I'm doing it. But if you haven't already, please subscribe, ring that bell. You know what? Because I'm not going anywhere, okay? And you're not going anywhere. So just subscribe. And my friend, she has something to say. Friend, what do you want to tell the people? You see? See? Push the button. Push that button. I think today is perfect to eat something healthy. Now, I want to show you what I have, okay? I have a vegan burger. Yes. You guys know I love vegan burgers. I love burgers in general. Burgers. Okay, I'm going to show you that in a minute. And I have some chili cheese fries. And guess what? Everything is vegan. Vegan chili cheese fries, sweet potato fries, and these fries are, is it air fried? Yeah, air fried. Yes. You want to take a look? Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, chili cheese fries, baby. And it comes with its special sauce. This is the special sauce, you guys. This here. This is called the special sauce. Yes. And you know what? I took like 5 containers, and everyone's looking at me like, I said, mind your business. Okay? Mind your business. Okay? So, look at this. Look at this burger. This vegan guacamole burger. Guacamole. Mole? Guac. The guac burger. Yes! The guac burger. The corn. The purple onion. The lettuce. The tomato. And the special sauce. Let's put this here. Let's try this special sauce is out. Woo! Yes! Here we go. All right. Are you ready? Good sense. Here we go. You guys, this is so tasty. Everything is vegan. Take a look once again. So good, you guys. I'm gonna do more of eating and smacking and not talking as much. Is that okay with you guys? Because the food is so good. The sun is going down quickly. I have to hurry up. Mm. 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 Corn. Corn is so good. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Sorry about that, you guys. Mm. 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 Welcome. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Please, I'm doing a video. Mm. Mm. Sorry, God. Mm. 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 Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Mm. 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 These potato chili cheese fries. Look at that. All vegan. Mm. Mm. Hope you all can still see me. Mm. I know it's very late. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Take a bite. Mm-hmm. You like it, right? I know you like it because I like it. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. 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 Some good healthy options here. Mm. 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 Dip, baby, dip. Let me see you do the dip. Just do the dip. Mm. 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 I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. Thank you. You guys. Mm. Woo! That burger was so good. Mm. It goes to show you do not have to eat meat all the time. There's nothing wrong with eating meat. There's nothing wrong with it. I love chicken. I love my little beef. I love that. But these vegan patties, they can get it. They can get it. Is the straw vegan? Oh. Made out of paper. Yeah, the straw's made out of paper. Mm. Eco-friendly. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Mm. 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 You guys, and my little bites, I'm gonna wrap it up tonight. It's getting very, very dark. And I know you probably can't see me, and I don't like it. But I'm glad you all took the time to watch me. I love you guys so much. I have more content coming. I'm not going anywhere, and you're not going anywhere. Please subscribe, like this video, connect with me, follow me, and you could get a follow back. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.